Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hi guys. Today we are going to start some advanced explanation that follow the modeling work for the cantilever beam body. So since we finished the drawings option in ABAQUS and create the model, as you see in the screen, this is a cantilever. Just in one side, and here I can deliver both sides, which is a different distance in order to find the comparison between the long and short span for the cantilever under displacement or under uniform load. It could be a concentrate load. So after drawing the beams and setting the properties for the components, this is the properties which is very important. It could be density, elasticity, etc. Then determine the type of analysis and choose the appropriate meshing. Meshing is very important thing in my point of view, which related to the shape of the meshing, not just the value or the square. Before that, we should create the boundary conditions, which it could be simple support, hinge support, fixed support, etc. So moving in the job, and after job we are going to draw conclusion that are our goal in this way, or be in this short lecture. Obtaining the results must be determined in advance, and as the force deformation relationship, or to create this relationship, it could be not just force displacement, it could be stress, strain, bending moment of tension, characteristic, whatever. Moreover, the temperature of the elements rises for the loads after applied loads versus to the temperature of the members. This is also very important, but we are going to postpone these features into the next lecture because a bit complicated. So let us move to the ABAQUS, and you see, or the results is appears. This is the relation or the stress mountain, and if you go to the displacement, this is the displacement. And to create a relationship between force displacement, you need to go to this option, create XY data, file or fill out what is collected, press continue, and you need to find a unique node. Since you find a unique model, you go to the action force in y direction, which here seems to be reference or reaction force 2, and then go to the displacement, and U2 is chosen. After that, we press on elements and nodes. You can go directly to the model and press on any place you need to find a displacement or stress, strain, etc. But we already collected the reference point which located in the edge or for the element, and rename it to load 1, load 2. If you are interested to find this node, you need to highlight this point. It appears here, and for load 2 it is here. So let us collect all together and press plot. You will find the relationship between force and displacement for both sides, right and left. So if you just press 1, for example load 1 or reference point, this is the shape, and this is for the reference 2, and this is the diagram. But it's a bit complicated. We need to find or collect the right way for this chart. So let us save as is. Okay. And since we do that, we go one more time to XY data, operate on XY date and press continue. Let us find the combine XY and press on it, and then try to double click on U2, double click in RF, and you need to plot the expressions. So this is the chart, or this is the diagram, but also it is looked not as we need. So because it's upside down, we need just multiply this data by minus. The same situation for the reaction force 2, and then press plot. You will find this diagram as you see in the screen. Next step, we go to the set as one more time. Let us name this data in this option. It could be test 1, and write OK. Go here, you will find under XY data option T1, right click, edit, and try to collect all the data which you have here. The relationship, of course, by force displacement or force versus displacement. So copy, go to Excel, paste. Don't forget to write the force at the first column and displacement at the second column. Collect all the data which appears here. So you need to collect one more time. Okay, so the data is collected. We go to insert. We choose the chart. Which one? I'm interested to see this. And the diagram which we have the same as we have in ABAQUS. So this is the diagram, original diagram, and this is which we needed for example, for the presentation or for our project. We don't forget to use the features for the Excel. For example, this type of chart. Try to rewrite here instead of axial title force. And for the next step, try to write the displacement. So after that, you can change any shape or any characteristic for this chart. This is everything for today. Try to follow this procedure in order to create the same relationship and the same data for your presentation, for your project, or even for your thesis. Thank you one more time for your attention, and see you later.